Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and this channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. So in today's video, it's going to be a cute video for particularly Mother's Day. This is perfect for Mother's Day. It's a cute little cake and wrapped in chocolate, and then you could put fresh flowers or synthetic flowers on top, and it looks like a cute little flower pot. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. I made these adorable flower pot cake wrapped in chocolate. They're so easy to make. Basically what you need to do is just melt your chocolate. By the way, if you're using chocolate or candy melts, always do, if you're doing it in the microwave, 30 seconds at a time, so it's longer, but like that at least you know that you won't burn your chocolate or your candy melt. So 30 seconds in a micro, mix it up, give it a good mix, and then put it back at 30 seconds and do that until the chocolate is completely melted. And then what I do is that I wait and then I mix it until it cools down just a little bit. You don't want it to be too hot. And then you cover the inside of a styrofoam cup. Yes, styrofoam cup. Very good trick. What I like about this is that it's very easy after, because it has like that glossy effect on the inside. It's very easy for the chocolate to remove itself from the cup. So once I do my first coat, you don't have to do like a really thick coat. You just cover the whole entire thing. You pop it in the freezer or you chill it in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes if you're doing it in a fridge, making sure that the chocolate has completely set. And then what I do before I uncover, because sometimes you don't notice it, but your layer is way too thin, and if you unmold it, it will break. So what I do is I do a second coat of chocolate, and then you just cover it on the inside, and then you pop it in the freezer or the fridge until it has completely set. And then you just go and whatever you're using, I use buttercream and cake, but it could be also mousse, so you don't have to do cake. So that's the great thing about it. So it's basically buttercream, cake, and you don't need a lot of cake because this is obviously for one person. So, or you can share it if you're making it bigger, obviously. And then for the flowers, if you're using fresh flowers, I always say in my video, make sure that you make your stem food safe. So cover it with floor tape, or also put a insert a straw in the middle of your cake, and then you can insert the stem of your flower, if it's synthetic or the actual fresh flower, on the inside of your straw. Now, if you're using fresh flowers, just make sure that it's not a poisonous flower, because there is poisonous flowers out there. If I use fresh flower, I like to go with a flower that is edible, so roses, for example. But the way to go, in my opinion, is always synthetic, but that's my opinion. And it's easier to obviously work with. So that was basically it. And then a little trick that I have to create the soil, I use crushed Oreos, my favorite cookie ever. So I put it on top, and then you get that cute effect that it kind of looks like soil. And then you get a cute little cup, and it looks so realistic. This is perfect for Mother's Day. I know in many countries today actually it's Mother's Day, so I'd like to wish you all happy Mother's Day on this beautiful day. And for the other people around the world, I know there's gonna be, I think, in May and later on also in the year. So I just want to wish you all happy Mother's Day. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.